Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Caribbean Cement Company is celebrating record-breaking production just 1 month after completing a multi-billion-dollar plant upgrade. In July, the company produced over 93,000 metric tons of clinker, surpassing the previous record of over 89,000. Cement output also hit an all-time high, over 109 metric tons, up from the former peak of over 103,000 metric tons. That's a combined increase of more than 9,600 metric tons and a strong return on the $6.7 billion investment. Managing Director Jorge Martinez says the results show the strategy is working, which is reducing Jamaica's reliance on imports, meeting rising local demand and opening the door to export opportunities. He adds the achievement benefits the wider economy, creating more local value and supporting national development goals. Months after breaking ground, the Pinnacle development project in Montego Bay, St. James is taking shape and is expected to significantly boost economic growth. More in this report.
The luxury real estate market in Western Jamaica is showing no signs of slowing down, with more than 65% of the units in the high-rise Pinnacle development already sold. When TVJ News visited the Seventh Heaven properties, a two-bedroom apartment at the Pinnacle was listed at $537,240, while a four-bedroom unit carried a price tag of $2,960,418. CEO Yang Seng Lee of Pinnacle Development says the strong sales reflect a growing investor confidence in Montego Bay's residential market. The multi-tower project is attracting both local and overseas investors, and the company expects all units to be sold by January of 2026.
The Pinnacle is showing our culture to the world, that our unique experience and our lifestyle, and that is we try to promote in Jamaica to show the world. Jamaica, we are ready for all the lifestyle experience, and also this project will make a big impact for local economy and the people who live here too.
The company is also focused on the timely delivery of the units while incorporating modern amenities to match global real estate trends. With the first phase expected to be completed in November of 2025 and the entire project slated to wrap up by 2027, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says this will be a steady boost for the tourism industry.
These four towers will represent the most visual manifestation of a tourism ecosystem based on the many linkages, areas that are connected with it, and the plans that are being executed to ensure that multiple product experiences are embedded in this one facility that is here. We're going to have maritime activities with possibilities for yachting and for Jamaica becoming involved in that space of tourism. And then there's opportunities for mega gastronomy, high-end restaurants that will again position Jamaica.
The 28-story development, located in Reading, St. James, started in November 2024 with an investment of $450 million. Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 393 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 5 points. The winners include NCB Financial Group, Productive Business Solutions 9.25%, Perpetual Cumulative US Dollar Shares, Lasco Financial Services, Spur Tree Spices Jamaica, and Caribbean Cream. The losers include KLE Group, AS Bryden and Sons Holdings, Sterling Investments, MFS Capital Partners, and the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. 20 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.17. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.48. The pound is going for $215.85, while the euro is selling for an average $189.48. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.